Welcome back to the course on combustion analysis with Cantera. In this video, we will be talking about installing Cantera on a Windows machine with a Python interface. So to do that, let's go to the web browser and type in Cantera. The first option that you see, you can click on that, which takes you to the official Cantera website. And here, under the installing and compiling section, you will find detailed instructions on how to install Cantera on your machine. Since we are focusing only on the Python interface, we would like to go with the first option, which is installing with Conda. Now, I can understand that, and here again, you have options for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Depending on the computer that you use, you can follow these instructions. However, I do understand that for some of you, these instructions may be quite complex. So what I've done is I have compiled this step-by-step detailed instruction guide on how to install Cantera. But this guide is meant only for the Python interface with a Windows platform. Now, you can follow the same procedure for a Mac OS or a Linux platform as well. But this should give you a good set of instructions and an easy guide to go through each step. And I have also included screenshots so that it becomes simple for each of you. So by following all of these steps, you will have installed Cantera, and at the end, you will get to see a Python IDE, which is called Spider. It will look something like this. Once you do that, your Cantera installation is complete. Now, the link to this guide is in the video description. You can click on that link and download this free guide. This should help you through the process. Thank you.